Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you. How are you guys? Okay, on today's video, I just want to do a quick review on one of the best tools for video creation, I would say. I mean, there are lots of tools. I'm not saying there's no tools, but easiest and the fastest tool, or like easiest and uh, for a newbie friendly for anybody, even the top marketers use this one, for a quick video you want to add it, do it. This is the one you might want to do it. Okay, let's see. This is how it looks like. I'm just doing it on a trial one, not on the original one actually. It's because I was just playing with it. It's a new one actually. I just wanted, because they have like a 7 days trial they give you, so you can test it out. This is, see, this once you're in here, you can see the ones which you already done. If not, you just go create a new video. So what does Content Samurai, the new name now, it is called Vidnami. That is, they are rebranding it. It's called Vidnami, Vidnami. So the Content Samurai is the old name. Anyway, so what you can use this for is, most importantly, people who don't want to show their face on the camera. That's something which is you buy if you want to. That's, if that's what you're looking for, the option, this could be the best option. So you can see this. First thing first is, you come here, you just see video. You have options of video from social media. You can choose between any of this, like story style videos. You can see this. Then video from blog posts, if you want. Like, this is what I mostly use previously, not like recently. I've been not using much because I started showing my face and doing a lot of direct video recordings. So this is how I started my YouTube career, with these kind of videos where I don't show my face, just the back, just adding these text and stuff. Anyway, this is what it is, the YouTube kind, or for your Vimeo and stuff. Then recently they added this one, influencer videos. That captions comes up as the people talk, that it takes in that one. Then we have instant ads, like so many sales kind of videos, video for the online courses. It's you name it, you name it, any type of video can be done with this. Okay, that's one thing. So what you have to do is, normally you come here, basically, once you, whichever you want to choose, you choose between anything. Mostly I choose this one with my blue color. This is my favorite. Or you can use this one, neon yellow style. Once you're here, you can come here, use this template. Once there, you just need to add any name, title, like video one, video demo, demo. And when you're here, you just come in and paste your script. Let me do a sample for you. Sorry, I'm just doing it on a different PC, which I can't see. Okay, so let me go to Munchai. Just giving an idea. What I do is, my style of doing is to do review videos. When I go to Munchai and see this product, some kind of product is releasing, I just go there. Nowadays you see me in my YouTube channel reviewing videos. So what I do is, see, I just to know about, okay, what is this one. Like, I'm just going to do a review of this. Just gonna copy this, the front end. Just go to Content Samurai, just paste it here. You know what I mean? So what I'm trying to say is, I'm just doing it a quick way, but what I'm trying to say is, this is a style of doing review videos without you doing anything. So you want that to be a one line, single line. Then I would put this in the next line, and then this corner, next line, and then, you know what I mean. So I'm trying to put it on a different line, so that when it automatically creates a video, it looks good. Let's launch funnel. Okay, just create scenes. I'm just giving a sample, just getting an idea how to do it, for what purpose you can use it for. This is one of the purpose. You can see this. According to the word, it automatically pulls the video. Okay, that's what this good thing about. But if you don't like the video, you can always, the clips, I mean to say, the background, you can see the clips and image, you can change it. Whatever the clips you want, you can change it. It has pulled in automatically like this. What is the system is built to help newbies right through. It automatically pulled in the same thing. Okay, plug in. Okay, took the plug scene. Okay, evergreen campaigns. Okay, use a campaign builders to build campaigns. Anything if you don't like. So imagine if you don't like this on this one, you want to say like a landing page. So let's see, landing pages. Let's see what it pulls in. And if there's like tons of videos, tons of clips, it comes up. Let's see what it pulls in. uh okay, I need to pause, guys. My PC is gonna die. I'm just gonna put it on the plug. Just hold on. I'm just gonna put on my charge. Sorry guys, my PC was about to die. I just put in the charge. Okay, so what I was saying is, I was trying to change the image of this, clips of this. Okay, let's say I just pressed clips. Let's go search. Let's see what it pulls up. Let's see. Pages. Sorry, why it doesn't pull anything? Let's see. Funnels. Okay, perfect. Okay. So what does it pull in? Not this funnel, guys. I just, okay, it does pull in the natural funnels, like let's say page builder or something like that. Let's see if it comes up anything to do with page builder. No, it's taking it wrong. Okay, lead pages, opt-in pages. I just wanted to test it out, guys. Okay, no, there's no wordings. Let's see, just put sales funnel. Yeah, that's better. Might be famous words. It might pull in something good, hopefully. Sales funnels, any good images? It basically clips. It's catching some clips. Let's search on the images. Images might be good, hopefully. You can have like whatever images or whichever you want. Let's see images. It's pulled in. Perfect. Okay, perfect. It has pulled in some sales funnel images. Let's choose from these. Perfect. It talks about, I like that funnel image actually. That's the, perfect. This one. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. A campaign builder. Basically, we're talking about, the landing pages and stuff. That's what the software is about. So this will be a perfect one to show. Very nice. Okay. And then next one, it has pulled in the same thing. Why this is a must have for everyone. Okay. I don't like this image. Let's pull some uh, office, something kind of for just to pull in some kind of image with people or something. Okay, perfect. Okay, why this is for everyone? I mean, just give similar images. Okay, it does automatically pull. Depends upon if it is a sleep, it gets in a sleep image. If it is some kind of a sports image, fitness, it pulls in. But still, if you don't want, you can change it. And also these images here, it can be put on the middle, can be put on the top. What can be done? You name it, everything can be done with this software. Okay, and anything you want to, if you don't like this, why? If you want to change, edit it here, this is a must-have for everyone. You can change everything like that. Okay, and then you can go to the next one. And what is it? If you're struggling to build affiliate bonus, okay, with the money it comes up pulled in. Okay, the webinar campaigns quickly, then this will help you get started. Again, the same image. Okay, use the evergreen campaigns. It just pulled in a green. Okay, and you can always go there, guys, and try to change it. Depends upon your product. If you have your own images, add your own images as well. You can see this. You can upload as well as your own images. And then was use the bonus vault. Okay, it is pulled in the vault image. Okay, as I said, it pulls in automatically, but you can go and change it. Launch funnel. Okay, given its launching kind of thing. As I said, it's your wish. You go in, change it. If you don't like it, add your own images. That's what this product is all about. It's like faster way to do it. Even it is complicated words, it might pull in different thing, but you can always go and search these kind of things. It will match. Somehow you can get these images. You can change it, and you can upload it. Once you're happy, go to voice track. This is, you can add your own voice, or you can have the voice done in voiceover done in your Fiverr. You can add it. I normally choose Harry, which is here, or you can choose any of these names here, which is like ladies and well as gents. But Harry is always so like sounds natural because I choose that one. It's your wish. Choose anything. Then once you're happy, preview the video. Then it automatically mixes the voice as well as, if you don't want audio, you can just go with your music alone. That's also possible. So this, as I said, a very good option for when you start with the YouTube. Even I'm telling you guys, even new people, even top affiliate marketers use this one. I'm telling you, there's like few channels I have seen, complete YouTube channels done only with this, and they are making so much money out of YouTube AdSense. A lot. I'm telling you, that's how powerful this is. You can choose like, the idea behind YouTube, when you want to make money, is you don't think of only selling through affiliate, like how I'm doing affiliate marketing. You can also, like, you just provide value. You could have seen about lots of in your Facebook feed, you see lots of kind of pages where they provide value, 5-minute tips, home tips. What do you think? How they're making money? It's all about the viewers, viewership, and how much long you see. They get ads in the middle. People provide ads at the bottom. This is the how they make money. That can be done in the YouTube as well. We just provide value, kind of tips for getting lean or tips on your cooking food. You just keep pumping out video, and when you get more and more views, you can, once you cross 1,000 subscribers and above 4,000 watch time, you can start making money. So that's how it is. You can use these kind of products for that. Okay, anyway, so let's listen to it, how it looks like. Perfect, guys. Really, I like the plugin. Okay, perfect. I just don't want to play too much. So once you're happy, look good, and continue, and then you can generate the video and download it. That's how cool this one, guys. Presentation contains da, 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 da. Okay, that's cool. See, this presentation contains images that were used under a Creative Commons license. Okay, if you want, you can add that. Okay, attribute, click here to see the full list of image and attributions. Actually, it says that we have used that Creative Commons license. That's basically meaning in YouTube, there are videos which you can use it, Creative Commons license, CC we call it as. You can use those videos which is legally allowed to use. Okay, so let's go and generate video. Once it generates, it does this encoding, all the stuff. You can see it's generating scenes, encoding and stuff. Then once you're happy, you can download it and do whatever you want. That's Content Samurai, and now it is called Vidnami. Okay, and the most important thing is, I just showed you one feature. You can do influencer videos, you can do sales videos, you name it. You can have your own voiceovers, you can have your own scenes, you can add your videos as well. Everything is possible with this. There's so many in the market, but this, what does it do is, it makes it so simple and easy. That's what I'd say. I'm not trying to compare with anything. This is like, from the time I started my YouTube channel, I use this a lot. Nowadays it's less. Reason is I started doing direct videos, but still now I have seen this new feature of influencer videos, where I can add my videos and I can have this text at the top and the bottom, like how we talk, like they like Gary Vee and other influencers. So that's something they keep. What's good about this, guys, is Content Summarize. They keep changing, according to the market. They created with the influencer videos, they created that story style videos, clips. Reason is they want to adapt to the recent market trends. That's what I like it. They don't just die out. They keep coming up with the new ideas and stuff. That's really good. And once you're happy, download your video and you can use it. That's it, guys. And once you're done, you can come here and have your videos here. This is the one I did now, video. This is the previously done. This is the stuff. This is the influencer style of videos I tried. Okay, so as I said, it's completely newbie friendly. Even top marketers use it, and I know channels which they make money just using these kind of videos without showing the face, without adding anything, their voice. They just provide value with these kind of videos, like how to reduce weight, how to do cookings, and how to apply for visa in one particular country, even travel documentary videos. All those kind of things can be done with this kind of videos, and you can just keep pumping out videos every day, and you will see the difference of money flowing in through YouTube AdSense or whatever, the way to make money. Okay, that's it, guys. That's what it is. And in case if you want to get Content Samurai, always remember, I think the pricing is $47 per month or something. But as you can see at the top here, once in a blue moon, or once in 2 months, or once in every month, once in 2 months or so, or once in 3 months, they provide this big discount, which you get for $29 per month. That is the cheapest, the best deal you can ever get. In case if you want to get, click the link below and test it out if there is an offer. Okay, if it's always better to get on that price. If not, I feel there's also option you get it, and once there is offer, they will you can try to negotiate with them in the support and then reduce it. But I feel they keep coming up with this offer most of the time, like like for the new year, for the Christmas, and all those kind of occasions, they bring up with this new offer. Any kind of occasion, they do this one once in as I said, 2 to 3 months, they keep come up with this offer. So the best price, if you want to get $29 per month, will be the best offer you can get with Content Samurai, or Vidnami now they call it as. That's it, guys. That's Content Samurai for you. So if you like it, click the link below and get it. I do get commission for that, so I need to be thankful for that. So that's Content Summary, guys. If this is the first time watching, make sure you click the subscription button and make sure you subscribe so I can bring more new videos to do with new products. That's it, guys. That's Content Summary for you. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.